Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, I hope you enjoy the series listening to this man who, Jamaican, who live in Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, you know that the man had run away from Jamaica because of corrupt cops there. But boy, he's like jumping out of frying pan and jump right into the fire. Because the cops in Trinidad and Tobago seem like they are more corrupt than our police officers. Not only that, but some things that they have, been able to do over there and get away with it. So imagine if Jamaican police could operate in that realms, that would be totally different, But we have seen where the police in Trinidad, they are supported by the government. It's not like in Jamaica, where our police officers are persecuted by the system. In Trinidad, it's totally different. The system there, they respect and love their police officers. In Jamaica, it's the other way around. So as you have listened to him, they call him, some people call him Junior Demus because of the way that he had, his voice and everything. And, you can see that some people really enjoy the series. One of the viewers said, boy, I hope there's a part 5. Yes, there really a part 5. So here's the part 5. So you have heard him exposing Ugly shocking scam, an inside look from the victim. Yeah, because Ugly tried to scam. Are you going to hear him talk about it again? Yes, this is totally different. This is not like from a different. So this is the third time you're going to hear him talk about Ugly. Yeah, trying to scam him, man. And he's telling you that Ugly have 3 numbers. So when Ugly was talking about earlier that he didn't know the guy and all kind of stuff like that. One thing with us at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we don't spread propaganda or lies on people. We don't do that. We don't smear people's character. Whether we like them or we don't like them. That's not us. You understand? So, so we delve into the shocking allegation of the close to 10,000 Canadian, scam and attempted theft, orchestrated by an individual known as Ugly. So as we uncover the truth behind this nefarious scheme and hear the compelling testimony directly from the victim. Yeah, so throughout this captivating series, we have been privileged to listen to experience of a Jamaican man residing in Trinidad and Tobago who sought refuge after fleeing Jamaica, having established a flourishing business and delved into the vibrant culture of the Twin Islands. His life took an unexpected turn when he crossed paths with Ugly. Notably, our investigation reveals a deep-seated animosity towards Jamaicans, harbored by former Commissioner of Police Gary Griffiths and the National Security Minister. These individual personal biases only intensify the sense of injustice surrounding this alleged scam. So prepare to be captivated as we uncover the intricate details that led to this shocking incident involving Ugly. Together with the victim, we delve into the heart of the matter, laying bare the truth for all to witness. From the victim's perspective, we gain an inside look into the manipulative tactics and elaborate plan deployed by Ugly. Ugly gave the man 3 numbers. And we don't have no reason for him to call Ugly unless we could call him and ask him if he want to address the matter. Yes, that would be a good idea. Yes, invite Ugly to you, but we know that some of our viewers and so they hate him with a passion because the man is such a notorious liar, and we're not going to let him get away with his lies because somebody have to stop we can't just allow people to get away with things. So through his courageous testimony, we shed light on the emotional and financial toll of his ordeal has taken him an indelible mark on his life. So on this riveting journey, as we expose ugly some alleged scam, the victim smart enough, and he shed light on the deceit and the dark underbelly. This compelling narrative will leave you questioning the essence of trust and the resilience in adversity. So take advantage of the groundbreaking exploration of Augustson's shocking scam. Tune in now to witness the victim empowering accounts in their own words for the third time. You understand? So in Trinidad, he might telling us about the dark side of corruption, crime, and culture. Yeah. So this thought-provoking video delve into the often misunderstood topics of corruption, crime, and cultural stereotype. As we explore the intriguing story of a man who, impacted by his Jamaican background, share his unforgettable encounter and shed light on some uncomfortable truths. Throughout this video, we unravel a shocking tale highlighting criminality, influence, and Jamaican culture. Discover the unfortunate events that unfolded when a Trinidadian man seeking personal gain hired a Jamaican from the notorious Marvally, Kingston 20 area to assassinate our narrator in an attempt to sabotage this thriving business. Yeah, so this Trinidadian man now, him hire a Jamaican man, who this man know help him to kill him. Yes, this Jamaican man help a Jamaican, and the same Jamaican get paid for kill him. And when him found out, the man just sympathize with him and start stay far from him. So as Jamaican, you understand. You have to understand that most Jamaicans, whenever you come in contact with them overseas, if you don't know them before, you have to think of them. When you're thinking about them, you have to think of dealing with criminals, because that's how they operate. Yeah, Jamaicans, you have to think of them as dealing with criminals. That's how it is. You understand? There's no other way. So, there's no honest criminals. That's how it goes. Sorry, but, we just have to tell it as it is. Whether man, woman, boy, or child. That's what we want for change, It's very rare you find a honest Jamaican. It's really hard, because of the way that we were culture. Sometimes, with people them just lie about some things where you don't even have to lie about. And just culture. And we want to break it. We want to get back with Jamaican culture. I don't know, why. It's the political leaders, because the people them in Japan, they are the most honest people in the world. If you check it out, yeah, Japanese. You understand? I learned that when I was in the Navy. The most honest people in the world. Japanese, you understand? And the people them from Singapore, Asian people, you understand? Surprisingly. So that's how it is. So contrary to popular belief, our narrator's experience challenged a common stereotype that Jamaican law enforcement is the pinnacle of corruption. Instead, he claimed that Trinidad and Tobago police force may have claimed that dubious title, with Jamaica potentially being a close second. So we thought that Jamaican police was the most corrupt in the Caribbean. But we are not, and I know that because, but man, hey, some things that, you had revealed about the police over there, but, our police in Jamaica, some of them really are real criminal, man, because, our man, I'll rob all a man, him coke and him kill him and him thing there. Yes, and we know have some police where, did such thing, commit, rob a man, and take him coke and all kind of thing and kill him. So we urge you, our vibrant community, engage in comment section below. If you have a sense of humor or personal story about these pressing issues, kindly share them with us. We value your input and believe we can foster a deeper understanding of these complex societal matter. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with our latest thought-provoking content. Join us on this journey of exploration as we shed light on the dark side of corruption and crime and cultural stereotype. Yeah, remember, hit on the subscription button and select all. Remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Yes, tell a friend to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police Channel, that we hate criminals with a passion. Hit the thumbs up button. Remember, comment below. Join the Patreon squad. Boy, we have something nice to give the Patreon viewers tomorrow. As we said, we haven't complete the Christopher Dodos Great Escape yet. It's not complete as yet. We're working on it. Don't worry, because everything that we are doing, we have to make sure we dot all the I's and cross all the T's. Yes, that's why we love Special Branch. We want back Special Branch because they are the one that give you detailed things. Have yourself a beautiful day, and that's you watch, you listen, and you decide.
People want to kill one Jamaican, some entertainer son over here, in the commanded national cause too. Because they say Jamaican won't come up on him and kill him. It's a good Jamaican over here, man, come film and documentary, man. We know that case is still going. Maybe mommy talk about it all the while. I think the parents them so Trinidad.
For your police kill them, son?
Yeah, man, the execution started executing for a while, and the only thing fine but it was video camera.
Okay, let's
they come to do a video over here. Like the video you have the white boy flying and you talk to the gangster. You don't meet with the gangster, you see the garrison, the guns and the drugs. And then Ace and the wrong guy do an interview. And the senior superintendent inspector Singh going to murder the youth them. Lean up on our wall.
So them charge Inspector Singh?
But never come out of it. Just when 2 months half attack on a man in dead.
Oh, Singh?
Yeah.
But one time they kidnap a businessman over there from Jamaica, man.
Who that?
About 4 years ago, they kidnap a rich businessman from Jamaica over there.
Rich businessman from Jamaica. Yeah, but they kidnap one time to money without their paper to money. Yeah, man. That would have been about 2001. That was 2001. When we rendition they just launched at Trinidad.
Them kidnap you?
Yeah, man, there was a contract with rendition and the Jamaican youth.
So why them kidnap you?
Why? I can tell you, they happen so fast. I used to tell a man can't kidnap me, go fight, but at 2 times it happened to me and it happened so fast that there's nothing you couldn't do. Yeah, the way it happened, like, there's nothing you couldn't do. But they shall just pay a small money. But then they kidnap a brethren we bring here from China. You have to pay $250 to get him back. Never come back. Every time I call him a China in that Panama or one them place. He now come back as a man. The man saying, done with you.
So why them kidnap him?
You know, sir, him coming to teach me how to make money in the but hear what him does do. Alright. Say you want a pencil. And you want a pencil named Kingston. You will get it in the morning. You want a Johnny Walker, you will get it in the morning. That's the kind of person he is. He's brilliant.
Yeah.
The man of all kind of machine can turn anything into anything. And he made him there and he teach me that we can make money off a memory card, SIM card. He can pick up a company that is dump and take out every information out of it and put it on a floppy disk and get everything off of you. He can take your software and make it to somebody's software and sell it back to you. And but they make some money. I feel like when I'm a Chinese bridge, they are sitting and Chinese man robbing me over here. He can't go back to America neither. He can't go to America, he can't go back. Because his wife have information to turn into defense against him. You remember when IBM, the last one, holding for information?
Yeah.
And then the latter one company that China when name Intel or something like so and dummy company make laptop.
Yeah.
That is him. You never tell that enough. They are with me, man. He can't go to America neither, man. But I don't even know part in there. I'm born in Singapore now. But he can't go to Singapore neither. I'm a Singapore, them kind of crime, they are a death sentence, you know.
Yeah, man, I know, man.
It's saying them love him because he's brilliant. So him just move between Panama, Honduras, Guatemala, and them places where he can make millions of people there when he make one equipment to somebody. When he done with it, he just gone again. He making millions, and his wife, he married one Filipinian girl, and she leaked for him in the US, and they left out of the US. Left everything, yacht, house, everything in Miami. But he now come back and say he's free Trinidad like that. Because we end up finding our police kidnapping.
So, boy, hey, me not telling you, them police are dangerous though, but I have to run a thing tomorrow and them thing there. Alright, my brother?
Yeah, man, take care of yourself, man.
Yeah, man, yeah. And you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry on them thing there, man. You're not supposed to pay no man. Hey, look here, you're not supposed to pay no man for doing nothing on them thing there. Just like how me tell a man, say, me not pay nobody for no information on them thing there, you understand? You know, see?
Yeah.
You know, you're supposed to do it for good. You understand what I'm saying? You're supposed to do it for the better. Because we just want about Jamaica and them thing there, but boy, seem like Trinidad worse than Jamaica, man. Based on what you say, because we never hear about something.
When me grew up in the 90s. And the 89 and them things, the Jamaica get back them glory, boy, because...
Yeah, man, in the 80s, Jamaica nice, man.
Nice, because I remember me, I look at a group of OTS. As I used to come out of school, they can left from one job to the next one, and I just see at time.
Well, after...
I live in a life, you know, I live with what?
Boy, you can't cuss about it, man.
Sorry. Me say, when they are worried about politicians, and them are still a drink champagne together while we are killing off with them.
Yeah,
I'm a sandwich party there right now.
How old are you, Montana?
I'm 50s, man.
Oh, me know. How old are you?
No, 52.
Oh, I'm old are you, man?
You older than me?
Yeah, I mean more older are you, man.
That's like a young boy, so.
Yeah, more older are you, them things.
You have called some things may happen. Long time you're young, you would say, baby, what am I for you?
No,
but you sound young and healthy, man.
Well, I just saw it go on them thing. Me no drink, me no smoke on them thing. You understand? Me no kick.
Oh, you like me? I don't drink, neither I don't smoke.
Yeah, and you understand? My friend and my family and them thing there.
Yeah, come like me. When me done work, me come to my kids and them.
Yeah, man.
Me in my bed, my wife gone in the PR room. Me gone in my kids' room, go sleep with them.
So hold on it. So your wife not sleep?
No, I can't spend most of my time with the kids them.
Then no man, your wife supposed to sleep, man. Although still a your thing that still though, you know.
If they me with and them when me reach home, they just want me go hug them up. If you with them get if you know to the room you play when me go on outside to talk to you.
Yeah.
And then my daughter go to bed until me come lie down beside her. So sometimes I just end up just sleep beside her and hug her up and me only told them I'm prayer. Go on my phone and I go up on a gospel program and I watch a gospel thing.
Yeah.
And when me done, me listen to prayer and I pray and hold them. Because we don't know what we live in one treacherous world, you know.
Man, me,
and where we are come from, where we grew up, we don't know if they're not going to be able to enjoy life like we.
Man, me, I tell you.
You know, when we free time. Because we enjoy life to the fullest, you know.
But I enjoy life to the fullest too. I can't complain about that.
Me can't complain. And that's the only thing I pray for. I wish Jamaica go and get back them glory that the youth then can enjoy them life when we did not grow up.
Well, it can come back, you know. We have to just keep fighting, and that's how I try to save the next generation. I say, hope still though, you know, with the Marcus Garvey book in high school. That I only silver hope, I say, at Jamaica. The Marcus Garvey book.
You know, so we have Marcus Garvey statue over here, about 2 places in the country.
Yeah, man, Marcus Garvey, the greatest black man ever walked. Marcus Garvey, the
yeah, man, we have 2 Marcus Garvey statues in that 2 park. Over here, man, yeah, man. One is in a Port of Spain and one in a Sanford and a Miglady Square. And Marcus Garvey statue, man. Every year them keep one thing by the statue and the most of the political media keep in the ear there. Alright, by Marcus Garvey statue they keep. And you know, so the man who put on that statue, the first time I come and film that granddaughter me there, you know. And the man carry me go show me the statue and say I input it in a square.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. He said he was the first man that the island discover our film property. But him children them live in America now. Them take the royal money, the money when they get the royal for. And they migrate. They them come back here.
Oh well, I just saw it going them thing there, you know.
The man take care of them, man. They can show it me anytime, man. He show it me at any time, man.
Yeah, man.
I say number, me can reach you, so me go up on any of them program, me tell them to tune in and listen.
Yeah, man. This is the number, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my brother. Blessed love,
yeah. Man. I forget about we in love song because he was smart, man.
Huh?
I forget about we in love song. We love some smart, man.
Ugly son.
The man give me about 3 number can I answer none again.
My teeth, you see, man. You know, so some you.
Look at the never wire the money. The man give me confidence to wire the money, you know. Yeah, man, but when me see man saying God the junkyard, I say that place down, man, in 10 minutes. You go see everything where you want. Mr. When we enter the bar, you just someone back of somebody that do some yard garage sale that.
So I try to rip you off, sir.
That you don't do.
Me no know honest Steve. Me no know honest Steve still though, you know, you understand?
Yeah.
But only if a man from out of him place him send a prison, him make them go to prison, you know. Yeah, that's why you know so them man they are fraud. You can't.
It's serious business that man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You can't claim say you're this and you understand. If you're a criminal, you're a straight criminal. You can't pretend to be criminal and then I see him, but you know pretend say you're a man a friend and then you send them a prison and them thing there. Because true you get money and them thing there. You know,
well, you talk about that. But I like you do a program. I don't know if you didn't know him. You remember Scotty when they get killed? Police Scotty.
Yeah, man. Yeah. We come from St. Elizabeth.
I always say I want you do a program on Scotty. He was a good boy, you know.
Yeah, man. I know, man. Decent police, though.
But when that man did, my heart was broken, man.
In the bad still, though, you know.
But what we couldn't understand, if you couldn't take a man like Scotty to clean up half a tree, then OCOMB couldn't get rid of crime. And he was just one man.
I'm a fennel, I'm a one ex. And he was DC, you know.
And he was a DC police.
Yeah, man, him bad man. Scotty did bad man.
Hey, that man loved me like I was in children, you know, man.
Yeah, like I am child.
Yeah, man. The man treat me like I was in child, me I tell the man. Anyway, the man see me like, he used to call me young arrow, come. I just meet some people that open business and they want 2 air condition. And they will give me direction to go over and say, tell them Scotty send you. Until them end up that do AC work in my office service is free theme. Because the man give me so much work.
Yeah.
And all he tell me to hold me head high. And I was like, big head man, me I tell you.
I just saw it going them thing there still, and I was theme time did come, you know. Yeah, that's
why best that day with that youth man, that policeman who was supposed to back him up on that bus, boy. Never get his ears cutting.
Well, the boy did dead still after, you know.
Why dead after? Because that boy was strong in that chair where Scotty never knows about the bus have a gun, you know. Anyway, waiting for one man, you know.
Yeah.
And next man is on the bus will have a gun, we never know they're on the bus. So my man is a one man. And as the boy do so, Scotty easy the boy from behind shot Scotty. And Scotty partner panic. He said then kill the man.
Boy, you have to just be careful, Rasta. I just saw it go, you know.
Yeah, man. Then Scotty dead, my heart was broken back to the man.
Yeah.
All this man we used to get killed the other day. They own the bike place. Right halfway through
Basil.
Oh, you know Basil?
I mean, know Basil, man. A lot, you know, say the other day, man, a virgin, I talk about Basil. Yeah, man.
So you know Basil's son?
And I'm son, and I'm stepson.
Stepson. You know his stepson child mother, the first child mother, the big daughter?
Me don't know.
A white girl, like.
Me don't know him, but me know about him.
So you know, say she be married to a millionaire come back to that company. Yeah, man, that's how we used to know why Basil, the man, that they walk out of the place and take up a son wife.
So she have youth for you to on them thing there?
Yeah, man, because you're America to man. Name Sevan. America, man.
So I'm to Basil. So I'm to Basil. Thing there. I'm to Basil. I'm to the girl.
You know, so the girl, a big girl now, make all children and thing America. Yeah, man. You know, so long. Me our father end up turning good friend, you know, because he mother the rate me someone that his mother said make peace with me, you know, and move on in life, you see me?
Yeah.
Because honestly speaking, we never didn't know me used to go in a basin and line with them. And you know, so me never know the girl from next time. Portmore me going, you know. Over Sanjali, them yard and meet her, you know.
Oh, that's a Kakali woman.
Yeah.
Oh, you know so much people.
Because I must have the EC work.
Oh, yeah.
They used to give me a lot of work. I'm a father of a youth. They have a picnic with Kakali, them mother, you know. And next girl, she done work a long time. A big red one, you know. Red look like Carleen, you know.
Yeah, that's a
fear husband. Fear husband. And the child man out across with the Shell gas station.
Yeah.
Maris you song him own the big supermarket at O3S now out of the clock now. And my big sister husband, you know.
Yeah.
A Kakali mother, you know, yeah man, my Kakali sister brother man, but she never grew up with them. Yeah man. That's every time I hear a vibe, I say I'm gonna fall, I know him from both I don't have
you know whole heap of people, man, and them people that you talk on them thing, them, I know them, man. I know whole heap of people to come.
I didn't talk to Tanjalia, England.
Yeah, but
and some other girl with the over the long time. Why did they get a kid up in England there, you know? Yeah, man, I can't remember what she name, but I remember she met her name, man. I talk to them there, they ask me where we go, they're still young. They said, no, man, I told big man, I know with gray hair and grandchildren.
I must some coke business why them do that.
Yeah, she play with some money and somebody kidnap her and she's still in England.
But I'm see Beanie Man engaged to Sanjali.
I foolish you talk, man.
Yeah, man, it's in a paper, man. You know, say my big rear admiral though. You know though.
What?
Rear admiral.
Look at that.
Mean to say my Batman, man.
Yeah, man, long time, man. Every time that man do me one time, I couldn't believe for a big man say my entertainer. Man, wake me up, though.
Oh, Beanie Man?
Yeah, man, wake me up, dog.
Oh, him what you up?
You know, say, you know Kakali, them brother Paul?
Me don't know Kakali, brother, them. You know, say Kakali. You know, say Kakali.
But they have him up like drugs, man.
You know, say Kakali original.
They own all of the sports and games, store them. Go to Africa and downtown. Right. So, to me and Paul is close, right? So, there was a white girl who come from Marvely or Barbican, one of them uptown girl. When the Beanie Man, they want to pose with her, to get back at, what's her name?
Carleen.
Dancehall Queen. Carleen. Right. So, when the Beanie Man, they want to get back at her when the man, the outer east, take with Carleen from him, right?
Yeah, man, done that.
We want to call him, right?
Yeah, boy, you know, those people still doing that.
But the girl, Paul is a man. He's a boy, she having money and live at Cherry Garden. He never want nobody know nothing much about him because he was more into business with the Syrian and them. So he used to find go Panama and then bring them things to Panama, hold it back close. So as someone learn about when we come at him and tell Trinidad and say, if we stop complaining about the Syrian, always get rich. The Syrian look out for Syrian. Because when Paul start dealing with them, they realize they get the clothes free from Panama, they get the store free. But your bank have to give them a promissory note that at the end of the year, you can give them 30,000 US or 40,000 whatever it is. So they will stack you out for the whole year. Change all the furniture, call you and tell them to sell because new clothes coming out. But your bank have to give the guarantor.
Yeah.
So you will make all of the money you can make, but make sure when the year end, You have the people their money.
Mm-hmm.
So the man then will jump from the girl because he never want to go with her because he don't really want the fight up thing with Beenie Man. So the girl left there will say Beenie Man a fish and all kind of thing, and she don't want to be with him. I don't know why Beenie Man just don't leave her alone. All she went to do is she should the designer, like design the house for you, put your nice furniture, your nice curtain and thing. And the girl said Beenie Man want her and want pull her in her bottom and all that kind of thing. So she didn't depend that way Beenie. She looking for hardcore man, decent man, she didn't want them fly by thing with Beenie Man and them. So me gone and the girl also drop off one thing with Paul F-150. In time Beenie Man know by a red one. So me did I take out the thing out of the back of the van, the girl gym thing. In thought it was me named Paul. Boy, the man pass and taking thing in my drink and just push it on my face enough. Drive off in front of the girl enough. And then have the heart to go and call the girl and cry. So you're your man. But actually you be the man for the phone and cry to the girl, you know.
Yeah man, me see man.
Me couldn't believe it. Then the man cry for girl.
A girl clown man.
Couldn't believe it that today. First time we never know so the man couldn't cry for girl.
Boy, hey, when him kill Bogle and them thing up and then I him have to stay and sleep in a couch and them thing there.
Up and down yard?
Yeah man, and
so we are saying married to know, if I'm married to know, engaged to know?
Sanjali. Kakali.
You mean Kakali's sister?
No man, yeah man. I know my Kakali woman man. That's what she name man.
Kakali and Sanjali are sister and brother, you know.
No, Sanjali.
Kakali girl is a red girl we look like his sister.
Yeah, she be
in England.
Yeah man, then she be they upon the star man.
She named something Lee, she married to Kakali but then done it now.
And you know say Kakali are the origin, you know say Kakali are original bleacher though, you know though.
Yeah man, I ain't bringing bleach in man.
Yeah man, I know vibes cartel. But it's just, you know. But yeah. And you know, say no age though, Kakali, no age, man in them 60s, you know.
And they still behave like young boys here, yeah?
Oh yes, man, Kakali, him not change, man. Kakali not change. The man in them 60s, man, Kakali, you know, a boy, man.
Yeah, I talk to his sister there, man, man, and him, some of his family, them. They all that England, though. But Beenie Man not easy, my youth. Him still want to go back to the family there.
That's so him.
Beenie Man was with Sanjali, the big sister.
Hey, Beenie Man, I you know, say, hey, them man, they through them man, they are real admire. Them man, they can't stay in a relationship long term, you know. You understand? Them man, they can't stay no one more than a year or so and them thing. Because them man, they have to go right round here, you know.
I mean, man, my big old fish, my youth.
Yeah.
And one time they was together, you know. Some promoter boy used to have a studio on a crossroad.
I think
they end up losing all in life.
The promoter boy?
He was a man who owned a studio.
He
was a big producer man. I think he lose him life up a Constant Spring or somewhere there.
No. I know say Patrick Roberts,
Patrick Roberts not talk about.
He's not dead. Patrick Roberts is dead, man.
So who dead?
I don't know who the dead fee man and thing.
But a big promoter that be dancehall business.
Alright.
Who's a ready man thing?
Well, I don't know.
If they get killed up at Constant Spring Road.
Why?
Them say him and Beenie Man and Baby Sham both together.
You know, some at first, I hear say Baby Sham a rear admiral and them thing they still.
Yeah man, they say man Baby Sham, the man is going to see man Baby Sham so that man laughing in that studio. At that time we have to say, Jano dog, them man was also promote certain things on the road and them thing man the pan.
Well,
them serious dog.
Montana, I forgot you know, 3 hours I talk to you and them thing there.
Yeah, no, yeah, man. I'm glad to hear from you, dog. You be like a big brother I talk to.
Yeah, and between me and him thing. Hey, let me tell you, you need to forget the philosophy of Marcus Garvey, and you will stop. You see all of them. Look here, you see we as black people and him thing there. I don't know why we start gravitate towards the negative. Remember, same time we are growing and thing there. A man call a dog a fight. You know, we are normalize that now. We can't
like you,
no, you can't do
that. Marcus Garvey school, me go a sentence be, you know.
Yeah, man. That's why you as the elder, you have to teach them. So that's why you need to buy some Marcus Garvey book for even your youth. Them make them read them and them thing. They make them get conscious.
You know which book I want get? The book that JFK brother right there.
No, man. The book them you want are the Marcus Garvey book them for your kids them from now. Make them read them. Make them discover themselves and know them and love them. I love themselves and them I love reading. Because them I realize that reading knowledge of power.
Yeah, if I make a line of something for me, I send them for me.
Well, you have no Amazon.
Yeah, I want to give me big data out of America study.
Alright, well,
the book name The True Fauci.
No, wait, no, the book where you want your data.
You know what I'm talking about, right? That's the right from Dr. Fauci the idea.
Hey, that's
we are surviving, right? They want to live in Florida, the power governor.
Yeah, man, no, you're talking the Congress. He's a madman, man. That man, is a madman. He's not a doctor and him thing there. The Kennedy brother is a madman that and him thing there. What you need to do is buy the book, the philosophy and opinion of Marcus Garvey. And Marcus Garvey said, buy all of the Marcus Garvey book, them give that to them over here, make them read them. That's the book.
Yeah.
You understand? And for a big man and them thing, they stop call yourself dog or them. You're not that. When we are growing them thing, then a man call a dog a fight.
Yeah.
You understand? We supposed to gravitate toward positive things. That's why I do a video and say, I don't want a man call me a dog, or not call me a G, or not pre, or not charge, or not killer, not call me them thing. Call me Chris, you know what I'm saying? You understand? We can't allow. Right now, you know, we as black people, we are lose the culture because we are trying to follow other people. Normally, people emulate we as black people.
I say you want to come see what they use them culture so far.
Well, are you as an elder? Look here, are you as an elder?
3 years since they have a migration, an influx of Venezuela in the country. Right now, Trinidad lost identity. Yeah, man. Lost identity, total. In the next 20 years, Trinidad maybe have to speak Spanish.
Well, that's how it go on them thing there.
Yeah, man, don't for them food, the music, everything. And lost its identity.
And them rather them because of them complexion.
Yeah, they're the white people them, sir.
Them no white, you know, they give
the people them free house, free accommodation, free living. Yes, I say, oh, Jamaica never get that. Jamaican was a security guard, no Venezuela take all that too. And then they want to work because them feel like they color up there, they're not supposed to do that. Then take the best of the best job in the restaurant, them the bar. As a matter of fact, the bar them here now and all in the high-falutin restaurant them don't really have local girl work there no more. Yeah. And then they talk about parade every day. Where am my youth and when they get a job? And that's the reason why I have to keep my head high and open business after business, because my daughter not going to wipe none on the floor. Because we realize the influx of Venezuelans. Jamaican don't even can't get security guard work again. Jamaican girls can't get bar work over again. As a matter of fact, there is no bar that's actually with no local night. All I bar them go. I never know bar was making so much money. 5, 6 girls, 20 girls at night time line up, serving your beers. I want to know where they find space to pay them, where they find place putting them.
Well, I just saw it go on them thing there. Anyway, we talk on them thing there, so me get for, you know, run your thing. Why? You know, me not tell a lie still do it. Hey, you know, still, you know, the reason why I call you, because you know much people there, you know much, look here, let me tell you this, because enough people feel like say, you know, like, with us there, and you know much people I heard of you on them thing there. But you see, because you tell me the message before and you say, boy, you know, you're in a problem and you say, boy, your life in a thing and they call and Me hear the frustration in your voice, and you say, boy, you want help and boy.
Yeah, man, because the man come and muscle the meter that place, man. I'm going to cost over money to pay the T&Tech company over here to run back the light. But the mistake when they make, he asked them not to put it on. So they told them have to launch an investigation. That means you must have the government property then.
No, the reason why
Beanie man have a dirty friend over here who went and signed with the man to get me kill a Jamaican boy. Yeah. And that what hurt me, you know. Yeah, man, a Jamaican boy will come from by beat out of Marvel and them there. One Beanie man and my friend. Man there, boy, and to me tell the man, say, yo, your friendship not loyal enough, so here I go on. It have a new year coming up. And I don't really think never want a more friend because everything is something to me, a friend costs it. So here we are going to do now. You see money we have for me when I close on the restaurant, just give him back the money. And the man call the landlord and link up with the man to get rid of me.
So where the Jamaican brother then now?
Him there, he not know where to go. So he might try to see if he can get somebody to stay up on the compound. So I tell him I don't want him to stay here, and I don't want no more food, barbecue and no more jerk chicken in front of the business place. I'm done with that. They can't feed somebody and them a plan to kill me.
No man, you have to make him go on, man.
Yeah man, me used to finance the restaurant and then give landlord sister the impression like he's the boss. So he went and live with the landlord sister, and since he lived with the woman, the people and business, realized man turning back on me. The man never called me that one day after I was going, and the man did next door, you know. He don't call to me at morning time, he just pack up and go in their house, and then people in house. So really the woman don't talk to me no more, she don't really call to me no more.
Because I went to him tell her things, man.
So he like, so I realized, so my friend him come to me and say, man, I tell the woman things against you. And just so I start get a barrage of phone call, watch yourself, you know, watch yourself, you know.
What him name?
So two Jamaican youth went and embrace him. I said to him, say, yo, no matter if they can't do Montana and get me in this country, you know, because you see the youth them around the street, yeah. And everybody are talking like, with Montana, you do Montana, because Montana buy a car, give you, open a restaurant, give you. And you turn your back upon the youth and like you fight the youth now. To take with the youth business. So the man embrace him, you know. And tell him, say, you know, say if Montana go, you have to go to. So he never like that. So he make police come house all kind of thing day and night. 20 a jeep of police, me I try to check him, say, me never own a car. I said to him, say, be careful where you ask for. So I said to the man, I'm a driver, be careful where you ask for.
So are you bringing from Jamaica to over there?
No, you know, so I find the man on the street, dog. And people tell me, say, man, I'm Jamaican, you know.
Stop.
And he said, boy, his wife mess with him and he used jerk chicken and thing. And he want the money to buy a shoes, so I look at work. I'm like, come shop. I take our money and buy my shoes. But that's what I'm trying to learn from him. I call him my day and him say, yo, you tell me I get paid every fortnight, you know, where you say, I can't get back the shoes money. And the man try to run me down for monkey money. I said, no, and the monkey money is my money.
yeah. If I'm a monkey, a monkey couldn't talk to you.
Yeah, I say, and the monkey money is my money, just give me the money. The man come about 6 months after and tell me, say, last.
What him say?
And he now, again, about 6 months after he come back and tell me last work and thing. And right now, with the tea and them things. So I say, yo, I have a coach there back at the shop. They can't lie down in there now. I say, so we're friends and they say, they're a man, yeah. So I can't buy the man and then go check the man. The man say, man, we have 1 year with her rent. So, I have to tell the man to pay off the rent, and boy. But that man pay off that man. The man just turned upon me like a brick and stole him out next one down New York right now in that jail. Well, him now, me just sorry. The only reason I'm sorry for him is because the pitney them they are hungry too, baby.
They wanted that jail in New York?
A man called me Christmas night and cried to me from way London. I say, you're the only man me can call. When the Minister of Sport called me, you know.
Which mean?
I say, me have a serious problem, you know.
Oh, Bob's the Green?
I say, what is the problem?
Oh, Bob's the Green,
he say, you know, the Jamaican youth, yeah, he say, you know, the Jamaican youth is to come by you and help me sell chicken. He said, he say, the one where we come take his son out of my hand. He say, yeah, he say, and 6 months now since he get locked up at Texas. I never know US government can lock you for travel too often.
No, well, them will just take away your visa. They will cancel your visa and deport you. So I must something else.
Well, that's him a fight for the take away the visa.
Oh, okay. Well, no.
Bought a ticket from Trinidad, pass through Panama or Venezuela, and land Texas, and then go to New York. Because it was a cheaper way, or something like that, for him brother buy a ticket for him. When he reached Texas, they take him off and ask him a question that they say he was in the country just 2 months ago.
Yeah, man.
When you're traveling to ask him. But he just bring up clothes and sell. And he in the detention center up till now, since 6 months now. And I think next week he might have a court. But I feel he might get deported, not going to get back in visa. But he fighting for his visa because he have about 9 visa for other country fight boxing for Trinidad. He come from Maxine he come from. But he disrespect me, really disrespect me. Trinidad visa, he disrespect me real bad. I know the landlord called and I put him out. Everybody call me for help him. I say, boy, I can't no more Jamaican that. Every time I help them bite me.
Montana, stop. Montana.
Yeah.
You're so bad a bit still. Stop calling yourself. Yeah. Stop use the word dog when you talk to me, man.
Yeah, sorry about that, bad a bit.
No,
so
you know, so between me and you, I saw me hang up on a brother the other day.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
But I told the coach called me from England. Coming from Dubai for a boxing match. And said the landlord called him over in China and I said, I put them on the street. And he said, there's not enough food to eat in the house. I was eating my Christmas dinner now. No, come on from work and eat my Christmas dinner now. And to the coach so like him a crying and I say, alright. I'm going to tell my wife, I'm going to take the Christmas grocery, I'm going to give it away. I'm going to drive around them yard, I'm going to give the grocery alone, you know. But end up now and next grocery, buy more grocery and take out my last change in my pocket and give it to the girl because I know I have 2 young baby that Venezuelan girl and the girl don't know where to go. The only thing I tell them I can't pay the rent. When the coach come, he will pay the rent. I not pay the rent for Dean so because I help him out and he disrespect me when he go to New York.
Well, boy, you're good on them thing there. One thing I can tell you, may I tell you this?
I don't think you're going to get back in visa. We're songing.
Hey, look here, I'm telling you this between me and you. And
yeah.
No man, when I say no man, if I help a man, I must from a distance. Just listen to me. You have a man, me and him used to work. We used to work at once behind them thing there. And me and him did cool on them thing there. You understand? I only man that will ever come to my house to stay with me and my wife. And you understand what I'm saying?
Over there.
Yeah, man. In America, him is a man where him married on him thing there. And him there in New York with him wife and him wife left him in an apartment in a snow, go sleep with the next man.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, man. So him lock her off and them thing there. When me and him there Jamaica and them thing there, him have a girl and the female girl want to deal with me and them thing there. And I me make him know, I make him listen to her, I tell me. So she want and she don't want him and them thing there. But she don't want to talk to him because she want to be close to me. Cause she want, yeah. And that me live to see that the same man there. And him come stay at my house, you know. And I West Palm. And me live to see that the man about 2 years ago say, boy, I did me for dead. All because me I encourage people. Me say, boy, look here. Me get COVID 2 times, me say, boy, me get the vaccine and me good on them thing. And me I encourage people to take the vaccine. Here and now. Few mother dead from COVID, so I want other people for dead too. So him take the vaccine, you know, but I discourage people to take the vaccine because I want them for dead. So me I say to him, say, Virgin, where you get to be the next man dead on them thing there? You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I son on him say, boy, me for dead. A man, you understand?
Have they helped him so much, eh?
Yeah, man. Me just give you one example on him thing. So that's why the man can come to me and say, boy, if you help them on him thing. I mean, that. You understand?
Yeah, man. Why? But Jamaican, this one, you know what? I tell one of that to the same thing. I tell one to the one security guard one. Me say, you're different from the rest.
Yeah.
And you say the 100 you borrow. You say the 100 you borrow, and when you just keep it, you say, me, I disrespect you by telling them that. I say, no. You just keep the 100 you borrow. You don't need to bring it back to me. Just keep it. And then we keep it like that. So me know you can't come back to borrow from me again. Don't come back to nothing from me again. If you see me, you call to me, I saw you go. Because you see that man where you link with over there, come from Marvel. Where you linking with one's on a friend, you know, different from him. Because that man wife have to call me and tell me to be careful, she's my husband. When you put up on your guard.
Yeah,
man, they were your landlord sister, and them a plot against you because you lock down the restaurant. He tell himself, if he get rid of you from the premises, he can get back the restaurant.
Why am I just stay far from Jamaican and them thing there? They only talk to a Jamaican on the phone. No man can come wish for me live on them thing there, because you have to go through Century and all them thing there. You understand? I wish I live a federal property and them thing there. So if you try to scale the fence, they might shoot you. You understand? Yeah. I mean I keep Jamaican. I not no friend. Period. Alright, Montana. But hey.
Yeah man, take care of yourself, man.
Yeah man. And no worry about ugly some man. Ugly some dumb like one them thing there.
About him, man. Just when you highlight the thing, when I tune in one time I listen live.
Yeah man. Well it's you know it's a premiere on them thing there, you know, me make sure cause
man.
You know, over 3 hours on them thing there, you know.
Yeah man.
You understand?
Yeah man.
Why I think Jamaican police corrupt, but boy, me I tell you, them man Jamaican police
for them. The whole system, the prime minister attacking man, the prime minister of the country, you know, when he argued the power, you know, he said one of the hardest thing to do in this country is to fight corruption.
Yeah.
And the man say want to bring the FBI and all kind of agency to work within the police service, and they want to vet the police, and everybody turn up on the man, you know. The man said the corruption here is too heavy. I need to vet the police service because everywhere you go up on a crime scene, you're finding police, bullet, mark, Trinidad Tobago police, Trinidad Tobago regiment. So where the bullet them coming from?
Well, so them
out of the army into the hands of the bandit.
Well, so the police, them all make sure them put on the police them emblem on the bullet them over there too.
Yeah, and they finding them on crime scene.
What happened to the brother when he and Gary Griffiths?
Why if I get worry about that man there, you're going to call all the FBI people. FBI must look for you right now. How about the fact is FBI having on the radar right now? That's some serious trouble, man.
Yeah.
You know, like Jamaica at all. That's some serious trouble. Maybe they even tune in for some of them programs, yeah. The man start the crime, man.
Allah,
Yeah, man, the FBI have to write the Homeland, I think it's Homeland Security, write Trinidad government and ask them what are the guns for, so many guns. And these type of weapon is we are using in a war, and a police service use them gun in a. The man bringing 30 million bullets to the man.
For what?
Nobody knows today what is it for and where it is.
So but him never did get a post in a cabinet and them thing there.
They want to fire him. Why is it Homeland, what you call it, we respond to narco trafficking and murder, right, the Prime Minister?
DEA.
Right, because he was the Minister of National Security, right?
Yeah.
And the man bringing guns in the millions of the country, and it's an assault rifle. Now the gun them are throwing up on crime scene. But when the country so corrupt, they file against him in the court. And he went and put a stop order upon the court for not investigating bank account. So the government have to fire a whole heap of big people in a high position to get in for them people in the judiciary system to free their account. Because he get fees for them to put a stop order that the government can't investigate in bank account. And the source of funds where the money come from, because where the guns are, you can't get account for the amount of guns where the US government is bringing. Where it is, who have them, where are those guns? They talk about some 52 caliber, all kind of gun, and the police and society use them, the army don't have it.
So you say I want corrupt brother, man?
Yeah, man, then they corrupt to the bone. So really, man, a serious investigation, both here and abroad. Whole heap of money laundering, and then a whole heap of people get license for gun business.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he just when they put off a 3 year, within 3 year, he give up more than 4,000 gun license. It take 10 years to give out 100 gun license. It take 3 years and give out 4,000 gun license.
Yeah.
So even have some serious problem, Gary, because he ate Jamaican like poison. The man is so fight you when he was national security. Even that time, I believe in the man in the I believe in that man.
Yeah, man, stop using it. Hey, look here, man.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
But believe that the man say fight crime. Never know that the man harm the country. He might harm the country. Yo, they make some raid there in this country, in some businessman house. If you maybe go on YouTube and see them thing, and go on the crime match program thing when they out there, is 100 gun, 200 gun, 100 M16. Some gun is going to move with them going in a Rambo show. Go to rocket launcher in a people house. And them the youth them have on the street. So you want the big shootout there on the highway here.
No, I don't really follow up things over there and them thing there.
You follow up to them things, you swear blind a movie I watch. It have one group over here that belong to the 6th gang from Miami, the 666.
Yeah.
But you have a fraction over here for the 666 from the same 6 there.
Oh, and them they kill one boy get where them thing there.
Alright, so
yeah,
there's a war between the 6th gang from out of Jamaica and the 6th gang in Trinidad with them other team. So what happened now? When J-Man and this one over named J-Man today, they want J-Man over yesterday, you know.
Squash?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I saw the man them have low self-esteem, and that's them can't even name them own self as no bad man. Them use jump.
Yes. So what happened now? One gang from one of them group, you know them t-shirt with the beer on it? Some t-shirt we are wearing with a beer on it, like some brand name thing with a big beer on the front of your shirt, right? They were not a team, they are war, and the team must be called, they go put up a blog that in our party named Dirty Fet. And we don't know who go post and say, look, we out here, we inside Dirty Fet, boy, they can't do nothing. That can the mistake they gonna make. They lock out the party there early morning there when they light out. Dirty Fet. If Fet name Stinker, they must ban the Fet, you know. They must ban the Fet, Stinker and Dirty.
I saw them guys.
Yeah, man, I Fet to keep every weekend name Stinker and Dirty. And the pure gangster you them for life. And brethren, when Fet over like morning time when sun light out, and police don't want to let off their net, lock it up when they light out, they can't see everybody. Gunman link up, gunman and say, you know, so they boy them outside. Brethren, about 9 get killed one day on the highway, 11 bullets in the broad daylight, people are gonna work.
Who them kill? 9 people, who them kill?
The more of them will come from that group with the teddy bear shirt and them. They name this SpongeBob group. But the cartoon SpongeBob, they have the SpongeBob group, you know. Every design they come out of foreign over there, they have the group here at Trinidad. Everybody a big gold chain, and man did like a big gold chain when they have people that bust off cane. Come man, body spread up and go up on highway. They're watching live video, man, I run the highway with AK, run down car, we done turn over already to finish. We finish it up with bullets and jump out of the car and drive out the business with police.
So where police them go?
Them kill off them youth, you know, SpongeBob crew and kill out some more youth, and this 666 them feel that they're untouchable. They make after him, they end up kill 2 DJ, 1 artist there, and the youth escape. So in Barbie that's gonna perform last week, and the mistake he make, them put up their Instagram blog, yo, but that Trinidad know, and I send a video what do to the mother. I mean, know who I monitor them. We're drained by the time the man them touch the highway from the airport, all innocent people get killed.
Me see.
You need to go watch a video, man. They for live on the show.
Me see it where the man are run on them thing there.
Yeah, man. Innocent people. And you the man dotish and foolish. The whole of your friend him just get killed and he went on Instagram and said, try again. And I believe the police service will go for him, lock him up and have him inside. Him post up, try again. So yesterday alone, weekend alone was 9 murder. They know what I think we went this year, 600 at this year, last year gone. And today just 8 days and 9 murder in 1 weekend. One murder we gone already, 23 already. 23 murder in 8 days. Yeah, man. Yeah, so you talk about with AK and big 45 black men and wave and walk up and down like, nah, man.
So the police are kill them?
Yeah, with them, but them. Once them, but then gone, you know. But for them to shoot out with the police first because they know so that is it. You see, you can't get murder and get bail, you know. Only gun and get bail at the same time.
I lie.
Deal with gun, yeah.
Right, crazy, man.
One Gary Griffith, he refused when he was in power. He changed the law, so he couldn't. So there's a problem to change back the law now.
Oh.
You get all with gun and you get bail at the same time. Back out the street. Kill all the witness who piped out that you are the gun.
Griffith do that too?
Yeah, man. He make a mess of the law when he was in power.
My criminal then, man.
Yeah, man, the Prime Minister like him at all. The man fire him immediately. The man saying, not for my party. I mean, I thought you're serious about crime when you quarrel about crime every day. We give you opportunity. And you make a mess of it. The Prime Minister is the biggest mistake in making their life as a Prime Minister. I Gary Griffith. Knowing Gary Griffith didn't come out of his party. We gone here, boss. Go and sleep.
Yeah, man. Me there, man. Blessed love, man. Boy, over there, I want crazy place.
I need a place, man. Need a place. But you need to tune in on the Enalin and show them Enalin Crime Watch show. One of us, it starts every evening, 7 o'clock or so.
Yeah.
6 o'clock with me. They have 2 Crime Watch show. You need to tune in on them and you'll see the level of crime over here. And the level of how the police are corrupted.
Boy, if a man there with AK-47 and you understand what I'm saying?
AK-47 and normal gun to everybody, but I walk one down with that to them car. You see man come here, I'm a business place already with 9 AK-9 car chunk.
So much sentence I'm
plastic bag. Come servicing car, you know, and then for the back seat press down. Like him try to impress me.
I'm mad. So yeah, so how much sentence them get all a prison for all illegal gun over there?
Sometimes 1 year, sometimes 6 months.
How madness that, man?
99% of the time, they always on deal. Yeah, 99% they always on bail. It's that 2 things they leave to do. Either you come on bail, you commit more crime to the police kill you. Or one of your friends caught up with you and kill you.
I saw it go over there?
Yeah, it have men, they have murder trial, they have, where you call it, the thing you put on your foot. The bracelet, and they don't really come crime, and they don't really mean.
Why, man, I tell you, it was crazy though. So the Jamaican, Jamaican culture control the people their mind over there, man. Have name all G, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, they imitate everything when they see a Jamaican. That's why maybe they don't like Jamaican. Because man, they imitate every single thing when they see a Jamaican. They man, they are being like others, man.
I lie.
I want. When they say me talk about that one in my man, they are being like others was untouchable.
In the door.
Yeah, and then with them, it was a well orchestrated team to take him down. And the same Sandman they want to take him down and couldn't take him down before Sandman did. The man in there, Robocop. But me not gonna lie, still my youth. I did prefer him he was still around though. Me not lie.
Robocop.
And lying to you because when him was around, the community was safer than my ear when me there. But man, them take down his brother, his sister, his niece.
So who kill him?
In Pitney. Only 2 survive right now, and police come to the other one there and shoot and miss. Shoot him straight to him mouth, to the next side and miss. Give 9 shots and all going to one in their arm only. Right then police about suspension because they put a gun on him and he have camera in their car.
They have put camera in their boy car?
He have camera in their car when they hold him. He have camera in car wire down, you know. Yeah, but what happened? They're afraid to go run the place like how your father used to run the place.
Aye.
When that one gang when bust out from under his father wing them the unruly. And the unruly take down his father in a peace meeting they went. Cut him down.
So the unruly at the popcorn thing that now from St. Thomas?
Yeah, and just like popcorn, the unruly boss.
Why? That's so...
Well, them dead out, you know, the unruly, them dead out, you know. I must about 3 them alive still. And 2 hiding and one the devil just a couple months ago and then get rid of him.
Who police kill him?
The unruly. And at the same Sarge, take out, mash up the unruly team and Sarge, mashed up before him dead. Because them kill Shrine brother man and family man. Yeah, Sarge mash it up. Sarge take out everybody before him go. And the only one that survived was in jail. And the only reason he survived because he was in jail. And he get jail and come out and dead. But they have a little offspring them about the place, one little drop here and there. I try to build back the team, but they can't build it back. Because the youth man father, when they kill his father, rubber cap.
Yeah.
While this one were alive, he make up his mind to mash up them if they try to build back that team.
Why?
And really they was crazy. They kill anything them catch. They eat anything they catch, they kill.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Sarge get rid of them. It's all rid of them. All of them. White day. When they come to talk to them, they don't ask questions. They just come take up when they want their shop and walk out.
Yeah, all in your shop?
Yeah, man. There's about 4 of them who touch me dead man. To them, one of them say, I come to kill no one man. And I call him on the phone and say, this man a year man in a year. I just call him and say, I get a dream for you. And just so me tell him, and just so me get the dream, I saw him dead. The police ain't shoot the man till he never have no head on his body. The young baby. Yeah, man. Just so I call him and tell him, I'm in French, he said Montana, call him at top his head. Tell Montana to me come kill him. And he walk off and tell him, brother, say, yo, hold on, go there for me now. I come in and he walk and go my house and the police they reach him one time. And call him out and he come out with the baby there and the police say, give me that baby there. And call him wife and shot she straight in her eye.
They shot the wife
and say, witness dead. You know, the police ain't kill the wife. Yeah, man, kill her on the spot. Witness dead. The man them shot the man till there was no head left on his body. There was no face to identify the man.
When them kill him?
About a year or 2 years now.
I saw it.
All me have to help bury him too. After he want to kill him.
Why?
The man them call me and get to and beg me, please. We can't make it look so bad. Man tell her put something, I say the man he want to kill me, I say man tell just put something for this now. We need to bury him.
So why did want to kill you?
Him just feel every time him hungry and him need the money if he just come and collect it.
Him a socialist, he know how to work.
No, you have to mind him. Him killing people, anything say go and Mr. stand up on him and tell him that within my youth. He needs to go and work and I'm tell him say, yo, he come and tell me one Christmas man, you know. It's a new year now and he find me I live too long. I'm say, well, this year gonna be your last year. And he get me can walk away.
Him tell us a new year you live long?
Yeah, I mean, this year gonna be your last year. God, in the morning when they kill him or kill him and things, say, yo, but just get a dream and I'll do them back home for. And me way to my office, me see the police in the same spot. And me call him bridge and I said, tell your partner they coming. And the police and just so me see the dream and so me see him back, then drive when I neighbor go back him up.
Hey boy, hey, between me and you still doing it. Hey, them the police, Jamaican police like joke, man. Don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Man, them kill all the...
But the reason why they kill him, you know, he kill rubber cops, son, you know.
Yeah.
2 AK, you know. And the police said, man, this man have to go and give it too much a rough record, special.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, he went and killed one a rubber cop, top son, them who run the place. Kill the youth with about 2 AK and extra magazine. Police never count much as special in them life, never go on a murder scene. So they have to kill him. They say you can't remain out the road. You kill one man and make the car look like a strainer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Police say the police are the first thing they go on a crime scene and they have to put on so much a marking.
Why? You know, that
some wicked youth over here, man. And that's all of African wicked youth and them, like they have no self-esteem. Yeah, the Indian youth are more into business and if they're going to crime, the crime are more organized crime.
Yeah.
I get up and do things while is if them kill you, it's all about drugs, never about money, probably anything. If an Indian kill you, it has to be about some serious drug trafficking, some organized overland, some corruption with something. It's not about me not like my bridge, me not like if a boy can come kill you. Never like about that with the Indian.
And I saw them do it over there, sir.
No, but the black youth and them, they wild west when they get gone. Cowboy style. Like they don't have sense and they know the police are coming, police them have a quad with gun. And enough of them say walking at them dead. Just walking at them dead. Anyway, tomorrow.
Yeah, man, blessed love, my brother, man. Boy, I tell you, I nearly 4 hours I talk to you, you know.
Peace and blessing, yeah, man.
Alright, cool. Alright, Montana. Yeah, so we have come to the end of this episode. As you know, we don't charge people to do stories, you know. You understand what I'm saying? For people to share their experience. You know, for it to hear on the Jamaica Young Police channel. You know, as we tell you that this channel is all about saving lives, you know. We are not in this thing for profit, you know, like trying to extort people to, you know, to make money. No, we don't do that. Because we can tell you that this, and this is our philosophy, money is only of this world. Yeah, some people say, you're naive. Yeah, we're not naive. We know that money, you know, once you have money, you can achieve certain things. But what's the sense of you achieving things by, you know, pilfering your same people? You understand what I'm saying? When, you know, you just do things from the good to say, that's the most important thing. And you know, you're helping and changing other people's lives. That's the most important thing. So that is what we're here for. Yeah, we know that time is money. And, you know, more than once people have called us and they give us a mouthful about us not, you know, being receptive toward taking money from people, you know, by doing stories. Nobody can pay us to do any story. We can tell you that. It no matter who's the guy or who's the girl. You understand? Whatever people, you know, they are free to do their things, but otherwise I'm not, you know, we don't delve down that road. As we said, we here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we are just all about changing life, and we just want back our country. We want it back from the criminals who, yeah, the 63 people, them they are the ones who are, but we know that there's one set of them inside here who's trying to give us back the country, but it's just that we want it back. We just want back our country. We want it back from these people. So as we delve into the experience of, you know, of this Jamaican man living in the captivating Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, as he fearlessly shares his tales of positive and negative aspects of his time in this Caribbean territory. As we listen to this exuberant storyteller, it becomes evident that the Jamaican government must urgently intervene on behalf of its citizens residing in Trinidad and Tobago. Despite being law-abiding citizens and individuals, they have faced mistreatment and require support from their homeland, and the government must step in. So we will endeavour to connect with our counterparts in Trinidad and Tobago to illuminate these pressing issues. Our objective is to engage with someone from the local government and initiate a dialogue about the challenges faced by Jamaicans residing in the Twin Island Republic. We wholeheartedly appreciate you joining us in this crucial conversation. Be sure to stay tuned and keep watching as we strive to address the concern of our Jamaican community abroad. Your support is invaluable. And another thing too, we don't like liars, you understand? Period. At the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we don't like liars. There's some things that we have found out about our caller, but we're not gonna share that with people publicly because some things are just private information, and we didn't ask him those background information because at the time when we spoke to him it was just a one-off thing, but we have learned certain things about him, and only thing we can say, yeah man, we wish him all the best, and we do believe in a redemption. Yes, we do believe in a redemption and people and second chance at life, and we wish him nothing but the best. Same thing, like, you understand. So thanks for being a part of the Jamaica Young Police Channel, where we are like the voices that need to be heard. So stay tuned for more thought-provoking contents. Yes, Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.